Are you thinking about changing your home? What do you want in a good realtor? Someone with real experience in your area? Someone who knows the realistic value of your home? The most important asset to look for in a realtor is honesty, integrity, and understanding. If you price your property too high, it will take ages to sell. You may miss out on buying your next home because you have taken so long the vendor may simply pull out. That's where the honesty comes in. Be careful of the realtor that offers you the highest price. They may simply be after your business. A month or so later, when your home has had no viewings, they will probably advise you to drop your price. Your realtor needs to advise you an accurate price, one that will get you the most cash, but still allowing your home to sell quickly. If you want a great local realtor to handle the sale of your home, look no further. Pick up the phone now and call